Kuning, kain na kayo. Halika na kayo dito. Huwag kayo nagbabangad-bangad, ha? Ayan yung pagkain nyo, oh. Kuning, come on now. Sige, late dinner. Mas gusto nyo kumakain sa tissue paper kaysa sa plato nyo, ha? Yes, because we are used to become poor, like you. Where is the lion? Lion, come on now. Ay, you're becoming mischievous. Ano ba yan? I'm eating, you're disturbing me.